lecturer and my dear friends. Our topic is about TN Unify organization. Unify was established as the Telecommunication Department of Malaya in 1946. The benefit of Unify organization is about e-business helps in Unify organization to improve consumer experience by providing fast internet speed. E-commerce is about Unify organization listing on e-commerce that will grow in the surrounding areas free of charge, reach the customer within the same location, and the increased acquisition and awareness to Unify subscribers. Benefit to its consumer is about the first thing is speed up to 800 Mbps. It is only available pre-exciting consumer who will subscribe to original Unify packaging. The second, strong product range. This will definitely back to the days of copper wire dial-up and ADSL. Consumer get to extend and its product range to cover almost every spectrum of commercial telecommunication by Unify organization. And the last benefit to its customer is about no real bandwidth cap. Since openly stated that there will be no data cap on any of its plan, and this will great bonus value for subscribers, especially those who use their broadband for all the purpose to everywhere from streaming movies to download and other functions.
Jeevadarshini Satyavali from 3 DTNM Section 2. Now, I'm going to explain about the segment should be targeted by the organization for the relationship marketing program. The first segmentation will be geographic segmentation. A whole Malaysia including states, cities and rural areas should get the coverage of TM Unify. The second one will be demographic segmentation. First one, age. Unify has segmented their customers from youngsters to senior citizens. Unify is good for all type of students to explore more about syllabus. Unify must target all type of students from primary, secondary, college and also university. Next is income level. Unify should target all size of income receivers because internet has become an important platform to get news or messages from people. Next is psychographic segmentation. Unify has used two protocols called Life Made Easier and Business Made Easier. Unify wants their customers' life easier beyond their homes and offices, collapsing the boundaries of time, space and distance. The next is behavior segmentation. Unify should consider their customers' need to get a good internet service. Customers always concerned about price, internet speed and reliability and value. Lastly, benefit segmentation. Unify should be targeted more swingers. The swingers are the people who try to be modern and up to date in all of their activities. Now, the importance of targeting the right customer for the success of relationship marketing program. Firstly, the firm can increase the customer satisfaction by fixing the concern, responding quickly and offering them what they want. The next is the management can save their money and time from wasting them on the incorrect approach for the wrong customers. Then, the relationship marketing program solution provides the foundation for a scalable sales and marketing strategy. Lastly, the organization can remain on top of customer expectation.
Next, the way Unify management may use to encourage a long-term profitable relationship with the segment. The first one is deepening the relationship. Deepening the relationship between the consumer and company can be created by providing more services than competitors. Unify can provide better after-sales service such as a warranty for modem if broken. The second one is reward-based bond. The reward-based bond is such as a financial bond can be applied by Unify, which is a gift discount for the consumer. The third one is social bond. This can be built by personal relationship and liking by consumer. Unify can create a carnival with many programs once a year to create a more meaningful relationship with consumer. The fourth is Structural Board gives service that directly improve consumer life. For example, Unify NTM can build substation in rural place to improve the consumer life.
Hi, my name is Nas. I will talk about marketing metric. Marketing metric are effective approach to track performance and create marketing measure tool for determining the effective of the campaign. There are several types of marketing metric, which is digital marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, video and streaming TV advertisement, sale, revenue, and SEO. Marketing metrics are crucial because they help brands define whether campaigns are successful and provide information that can be used to improve initiative. Next, we go to key performance indicator, which is you can call KPI, to track their progress of the Unifies. There are three KPI, which is generating leads, investment return, and share impression. Generating lead is for analyzing the growth in the lead generation from a digital advertisement campaign and the tracking new lead create and conversion rate, or the percentage of the lead that become customer. Investment return, we should analyze the customer lifetime value to customer acquisition cost to determine return on investment. And lastly, share impression. Impression share is the metric that measures how well a brand is performing on certain channel in relation to its potential audience. So that's all. Thank you.